One of the most exciting and most anticipated 6th grade field trips is outdoor education. We will be visiting Camp High Trails in March. We will be holding a separate parent meeting dedicated to outdoor ed in the new year to go over everything you need to know as well as answer any questions you may have about this wonderful trip. This year, our students will also have the opportunity to participate in a lab and field trip to the San Joaquin Marsh provided by the Irvine Ranch Water District. We will learn all about water conservation as well as how to test water quality. Beach Day will be held during our last week of school in June. We will visit Corona del Mar State Beach where we will have fun and relax as we celebrate our year together and gear up for promotion. In order for all of these events to be possible, we have a parent committee to come together and help with fundraising and end-of-year activities. You can sign up to be a chairperson for a specific event, or you can sign up to just help or donate supplies. Any help is greatly appreciated. You will have the opportunity to sign up during the 6th grade parent information meeting in early September. Thank you for all of your support. We cannot do it without your help.